What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check. Today we're going to be testing out the Spigen Glastr Easy Fit Screen Protector for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Now we will be doing a scratch and a drop test to see how well this survives, and you're definitely going to want to stick around till the end of the video to find out those results. Now, I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go and get started. So here we get 2 tempered glass screen protectors, a rubber squeegee, and some installation stickers and wipes. So Spigen also makes it really easy for you to install these screen protectors. All you need to do is take one of your screen protectors, make sure you see the top signifier pointing upward. That's going to go towards your camera on your phone. Then we just need to peel off this little sticker that says back on here. Make sure you don't peel off the glass with it. Then once you peel that off, don't touch the underside. And then just line it up with your phone and press it into place. Slide your finger down the middle. Then we're going to wait 30 seconds. Then remove the sticker from the top here. Just hold press down on the screen protector guide while you're pulling this up. And then stick your finger in the middle and then pull up on the little guide here. And there you go. So we're going to take our squeegee here and try to get out some of these bubbles before we remove the top protector. That one came out really easy. We'll do the same thing for the other 2. That one came out easy as well. One more. And that one's out too. So not a problem at all. That's why they give you the squeegee. So now all you need to do is peel up the protector. Very nice installation. This is a full coverage screen protector, which means it does cover your camera. So if you're worried about that, then you're probably going to want to stay away from this. But it does seem to be a really nice screen protector. It does have a slight gap around the edges. We'll see if it's case friendly. As far as the touch goes, super smooth. It feels just like the glass that's on the phone. Touch works perfectly fine. We'll register our fingerprints again. All right, so we're all set. Let's test out our fingerprints. Beautiful, working perfect. So fingerprints, definitely a plus on the screen protector. Let's put it in our Spigen case here. Give it a little wipe down. Okay, so in the Spigen case, it looks like it doesn't leave any gap. Comes right up to the edge of the case, except for on the top there is a slight gap. As far as fingerprints goes, it picks up minimal fingerprints, but again, you can very easily wipe those away with hardly any effort. Very nice. So yeah, this screen protector fits perfectly, at least with the Spigen cases. I don't see any lifting, so that is definitely a plus. So far so good. Everything is looking great. Let's move on to the drop test. We're going to start off at 2 feet. All right, we're moving on to 3 feet. Moving on to 4 feet. Moving on to 5 feet. Moving on to 6 feet. Nothing yet. Moving on to 7 feet. Here we are at 8 feet. All right, and there it is, 8 feet. So I'm pretty impressed. I honestly didn't think it was going to last up to 8 feet because when I took the screen protector off the phone and put it on here, I felt that it was super thin and flimsy. So I didn't think it was going to last that long, but wow, very respectable. So far, so good. Let's move on to the scratch test. So first we're going to start off with a level 5. and then move on to the level 6. And then finally the level 7. Alright, so if we take a closer look here, as you can see there's no scratches at the level 5. There's a little deeper at the level 6 and deeper than that at the level 7. So very respectable. It's on par with all the other tempered glass screen protectors. So I'm pretty impressed. Installation was very easy. Scratch protection is great, and drop protection seems to be really good as well. So I'm definitely going to give this one a thumbs up. So that's it for the Spigen Glastr tempered glass screen protector. Again, if you guys want to pick this up, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to review for you guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.